gonna let this shit make it. I wasn't even gonna post no video about this because I was already working on something, but I'm really tired of these motherfucking fake ass Palladians, fake ass Draco reptilians, fake ass motherfuckers attacking Rashad Jamal when this man speaking positivity. This man is raising people vibrations, telling you about the elites, telling you about shit that Donald Trump and them talking about, telling you shit that all these motherfucking deep state motherfuckers talking about. He telling you about it. He connected black folks, white folks, Hispanic folks. He connected everybody, giving people their real story. Don't give a fuck if you like it or not. This man was just posting the truth, and y'all calling this man a cult leader. Y'all accusing this man of people coming up missing and it's his fault. Nigga don't want to live on y'all grid, bro. America was founded by Aristocrats, and Africa, America, all this shit, bro, is y'all shit that y'all fucking stole and named and fucking try to put us all the fucking together under y'all motherfucking light code lockdown. But fuck this shit, bro. Y'all really playing with us. Like, this shit is pissing me the fuck off. Like, I'm getting tired of being. I had to drop my motherfucking frequency just to come to this motherfucker because I'm tired of y'all fucking playing, man. Nigga telling y'all about different realms. This shit is real, bro. I'm tired of y'all. Y'all saying this man fucking capping, man. Put that fucking Ogoon on. I'm tired of this shit, man. This man capping, but everything this man fucking talking about is right motherfucking here, man. I do research on all this shit, bro. I do research on all this shit. Sacred geometry and shit. Sacred geometry. So everything motherfucking Rashad Jamal talking about is motherfucking right here. You feel me? Everything this man motherfucking talking about is right here. You heard me? When he tell you who motherfucking Caesar was, you heard me? The shit right motherfucking here. But y'all won't play on this motherfucking man top. Y'all won't play on him like he's lying about what he talking about by speaking history because we don't got to go to school to learn it, but he's a cult leader. Come on, man. Here go these fucking Persians and these fucking Romans who came and put us under their fucking empire. But this man lying? Did this man lying? Oh, Rashad Jamal, he's a cult leader because he's teaching us motherfucking our story, teaching us what happened to us. He making us from being docile, teaching us about the fluoride. I didn't know about no motherfucking fluoride, nigga. I didn't know about the nigga named after Africa. I didn't know this shit. You heard me? But he's teaching us this shit and helping us learn about these fucking Freemasons and these secret societies and these churches that's a fucking cult that y'all not talking about. You heard me? But everything this man talking about is right the motherfuck here. You feel me? Come on. Come on. Come on. Navigator. Term America. This who America? This is Eric. This your bitch ass nigga Eric. You heard me? Santa Claus. You heard me? But they want to play games, man. I'm tired of these motherfuckers. I'm really tired. I'm really tired. Extraterrestrials. Fuck all that. Here go the Declaration of Human Sovereignty. What do Rashad Jamal talking about? Sovereignty. If you look up sovereignty and look this shit up, go to swastika. What he taught y'all? That's Hitler swastika. Turn the swastika to the side. But swastika mean peace. If you really get into the swastika and what the swastika mean, it meant, you heard me, being your higher self. That was some shit Adolf Hitler had fucking made up about the motherfucking Jews and try to kill them. But this was our shit, bro. This was our ancient shit. And I can show you. This was our ancient shit, bro. The swastika. But they play motherfucking games with y'all and keep y'all motherfucking lost. But you ain't gonna play with me, man. I'm a motherfucking boss, man. I'm tired of you stanky, dirty motherfuckers. Funky, stank-ass elite motherfuckers won't keep a nigga dumb. What the fuck do this say, man? Y'all take a screenshot of this shit. It talk about extraterrestrials. It talk about all type of shit. That ain't nothing. Let's get on this light code lockdown. I'm really tired of these motherfucking. I'm tired of them. Let's get on these lockdown shit. Cause I don't play. When it comes down to this study shit, I really study, bro. When it comes down to this study shit, I really study. So let's get it. Let's get it. You hear me? They go to frequencies. Rashad Jamal teach you about chakras. He teach you about your chakras, and he also teach you about frequencies. Oh, so this a cult? You got Buddhism, you got Hoodism, you got Hinduism, you got Judaism. How come all this shit talk about raising your vibration in the different chakras in your brain, which is these different glands in your body? But oh, that's a cult. This Rashad Jamal always teach you about fire, the main elements: ether, fire, air, water, earth. It's right here. It's right motherfucking here. Chemistry right here. Spiritual fucking paragram right here. But oh, that man's a cult? How come Freemasons ain't locked up? How come these fucking stanky motherfuckers ain't locked up for the cult shit they motherfucking doing? What the fuck? Y'all niggas is weird, man. Y'all niggas is motherfucking weird, pussy niggas. What the fuck? Fuck America, nigga. Fuck America, nigga. Y'all stole everything. Y'all stole this fucking story from this motherfucking story. You heard me? Galactic walls, you stanky bitches. I'm on you bitches, boy. I'm tired of you bitches playing with us. Nigga, fuck all y'all, nigga. Fuck the Vatican, nigga. Fuck this whole group of motherfuckers. Fuck this whole group of motherfuckers. This is your shadow government. You heard me? This is your cabal. This is who motherfucking Katt Williams and all them talking about. This is everything in motherfucking one. I'm tired of these stanky, dirty bitches. You heard me? Fuck NASA. Fuck all these bitches, nigga. Y'all got me motherfucking fucked up. Rashad Jamal lying? Mind control. Debt culture. Man, I'm about to, boy, y'all pissing me the fuck off. Globally, mind control. They trying to control us mindly, bro. This is mind control. Taking your magnesium, which is your soul. You heard me? You heard me? Come on, man. They play on y'all motherfucking fear, but they playing with me? Y'all want motherfucking play, huh? Black Sun, Draco agenda. The NAA, negative alien agenda, you heard me? Neurotransmitters. What the fuck is that? What is nanotechnology? But, oh, he's lying? Oh, he's lying? Y'all better stop fucking playing with me, bitch. Now I need the beans, you steaky bitch. I'm tired of you bitches. Fuck wrong with y'all, nigga. Y'all playing with our fucking leaders, nigga. Y'all killed Malcolm X. Y'all giving us these poo-ass, fake-ass, false-ass motherfucking leaders. Fuck these niggas, nigga. Y'all better stand on your own ground. Y'all better educate yourself. Y'all better learn a motherfucking little something. But this shit fake? Reptilian invasion. What they got us on? A light cold lockdown. Y'all better take some fucking screenshots, boy. Y'all better take some motherfucking screenshots. I'm not playing with y'all, boy. Nah, eat the beans motherfucking rising, nigga. What is going on? What is going on? The first level of awakening. How they try to play fucking games into your chakra system. They know exactly what's going fucking on. But they playing with y'all like y'all fucking stupid. Oh, the Luciferian rebellion. You heard me? The motherfucking seraphims around here. Fuck these fallen ass, angelic ass angels. Motherfucking Baal, stink ass motherfucking Sarah fucking fiends. Fuck these stinky motherfuckers. Bitch, y'all better stop playing with me. Secret fucking space programs. Y'all better stop fucking playing. Atlantean. Come on. The Nephilim, the Anunnaki. Y'all better stop fucking playing, man. The sun is the soul. Oh, these bitches getting me heated up. Look, I gotta say. Only in my pain did I find my will. Only in my chaos did I learn to be still. Only in my fear did I find my might. Only in my darkness did I find my motherfucking light. You stanky bitches. And now old niggas in a coat. No, bitch, y'all kept us fast to fucking sleep. Nigga, we on this 5D world now, bitch. We tuning the fuck up, nigga. And don't get mad when we pass you bitches up, you stanky bitches. I'm on the fucking 15 dimension around this motherfucker, nigga. Y'all can't fuck with me, nigga. I'm all the way tuned the fuck in, nigga. Tap the fuck all the way in, nigga. Blue flame, bitch. Don't fucking play with me, man. I'm protected by all the gods, nigga. I'm protected by all the motherfucking gods, nigga. We gonna get this right. We gonna kill y'all fucking agenda tonight, bitch. We gonna get this right and we gonna kill y'all fucking agenda tonight, bitch. You heard me? You giving us these fake ass things? You heard me? You heard me? Here go 1 perk, 2 perk, 3 perk, 4 perk, 5 perk, 6 perk. Light cold lockdown, nigga. You ain't locked down right here. This is a motherfucking eternal spear. This is eternal. This to keep you in a motherfucking illusion, man. They fucking playing games. Y'all better, boy, they gonna get it right today. They gonna get it right today. They got switches, genetic switches. They can turn your fucking genes off when they want to. Y'all better, come on. You better go to that section glossary. You better fucking get it. They can turn your genes off at any fucking moment, man. They can turn your fucking genes off at any moment and try to shut down your light body, man. You better get these bitches with this artificial intelligence. You better get these bitches. Not plant alien implants. They plant motherfuckers on y'all, nigga. When they talking about, come on, boy, they gonna cancel this page for this one. I don't give a motherfuck, nigga. I'm gonna make another one, you stupid fuck. Fuck wrong with y'all, nigga. Fuck wrong with y'all, nigga. Come on, anti-particle chakras, 8 and 9. They don't tell you about chakras all 3 feet above your fucking head. Man, y'all better stop playing. Come on, what Rashad Jamal teach about? Illuminating your motherfucking self, man. Working your lymphatic system. Working your thyroid glands. Come on, man. But they'll never teach you this. They'll never teach you this. You better screenshot this shit. I'm not playing with these stanky bitches. Fuck these funky bitches, boy. So, come on. This is the fallen alien agenda, bro. The fallen angelics, stanky bitches keeping you fucking sleep. I study shit. Here go your government. Here go your fucking government, man. Stank ass principalities, man. Rulers, man. You Greek motherfucking archons, man. Your fake ass leaders, man. They playing games with y'all, man. You are a sovereign being. You better learn your fucking laws, man. You better raise that crystal Earl when Rashad tell you your Kundalini energy. You heard me? You got Syrians. You got Lyrans. You heard me? Come on, man. You got the serpent people. You got the original Tyrans. You got your fallen angelical bell beings. You heard me? Come on, man. Don't let these people play games with y'all, man. Do not let these people play motherfucking games with y'all, man. I'm not playing with these bitches, nigga. Yo, oh, he's just nah, bitch. I got all the research, nigga. I don't play. There go your fifth element, your fifth harmonic universe. Come on, man. I'm not playing, but y'all won't say this man is no motherfucking leader. Like, come on, I'm tired of this motherfucking shit, man. This is motherfucking crazy, man. Oh, goon in this motherfucker, nigga. I done drop my shit. Oh, goon in this motherfucker, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Oh, Reese's in this motherfucker, nigga. Ancestors in this motherfucker, nigga. You heard me? Come on, man. Fake ass motherfuckers, man.